Do you know every business depends on qualified leads for its success? Leads don't convert just like that. It needs proper nurturing. And I know the lead nurturing process is difficult, but with ChatGPT, things only get easier. ChatGPT's ability to converse, to engage with prospects on personal level, it's just outstanding. It will certainly vanish all the old methods, traditional methods of approaching the lead, converting the lead, nurturing the lead. That way, the customer privacy is also not compromised. To engage with your prospects and for lead nurturing, for lead conversion to happen, personalization is very important. And who does all that work for us? ChatGPT. But how would ChatGPT help us to identify those potential leads? So if you already know about the stages in lead generation, first of all, we have to bring the awareness, right? Then comes interest, then we have to capture the lead, then lead qualification, and at the end, it's all about nurturing the lead. The initial stages in lead generation, it's all about creating that first impression. We can do a lot of activities using ChatGPT, like we can create a very highly targeted copy for landing pages. I'm on ChatGPT right now, and I want to create a highly targeted copy for this landing page where I just want to know the structure, the entire structure. What are the important elements that I can add on this landing page? This is very important to know, and let's give it a prompt. You can see all the results that it has displayed, and headline, introduction, benefits section, and more testimonials goes over. These are the very important elements that needs to be added. There's no option, okay? And FAQs section, so all the elements it has given, and it has made our process really easy. So if you want to further add more question and answers in FAQ section, we want ChatGPT to create a set of question and answers around that, so that it solves the pain points and removes if there are any objections. So we can also do that. So FAQs it has created, and this process is really simple. You just have to give it a command. We can also create Q&As for the live chat on our website. When you're dealing with leads, you will have to face a lot of rejections, concerns, issues. So ChatGPT can help us to remove, to handle those objections by reducing that barrier to purchase. I'll ask ChatGPT what could be the objections of my leads, when I'm selling the affiliate marketing course. So before making a purchase decision, there might be a lot of doubts in the head of students. So I just want to know, like, what are the objections, so that I can solve them, so that I can create my content strategy around that, right? So I'm just writing a prompt, what could be the objections before the purchase, and it has given all the answers, like objection number one: if I'm not sure if the course is right for me. There are many students who think like that, okay? If they don't have enough money or time or whatever objections, it's listing down everything, which is really, really great. You just have to be really smart with your prompts. I'm telling you, your half the work is done. If you're a really creative person, ChatGPT is it's gonna be your favorite tool. So the next step is all about sending the personalized recommendation to your leads. Based on their past behavior, their interests, you can suggest them recommendations related to your product, wherein you can create your very own email campaign strategy. You will have to create personalized email campaigns, and you can take the help of ChatGPT for that. So I want to create a personalized email campaigns for my leads, and I want to know the entire structure, like what are the emails that I'm going to send, because sometimes you just want to get that clarity, like what is going to be my first email, second email, third email, like all the follow-up emails. So it's going to give the structure. And look at that, email 1, email 2, all those things that are required, like personalized greeting, call to action, whatever needs to be added in the first, second, third email and the following emails, it's giving you the entire information, which is like super cool. Now next comes lead qualification. Not every lead is qualified. We have to decide like which lead is good for us based on their behavior, based on the past purchases of the leads. To understand that behavior and to understand like what past purchases they have made and what is their behavior regarding our product, we can frame such questions with the help of ChatGPT that can help us to qualify those leads or not. Last but not least, we'll talk about how to nurture our leads. When we we talk about nurturing our leads, we have to create a survey. We have to create a feedback form for our leads. And for that, you can take the help of ChatGPT. Let me show you how. So I am giving the prompt to ChatGPT, how can I nurture the leads to make purchase journey easy, smooth and fast? So let us see the suggestions. So it's telling me like involve personalization, send drip campaigns, okay, offer exclusive content, provide social proof, live webinars, and it's telling me how to nurture those leads if we want those leads to get converted. For example, if I want to like go further with live webinar, and I want to create content, I want to create a structure of a webinar so that I give a lot of knowledge to my leads, and it makes their purchase process easier, helps them to take a decision fast. So I'm asking ChatGPT to create a structure for webinar where I want to sell an affiliate marketing course, and look at the magic. Wait for the magic. Just wait for the magic to begin. Here we go. So it's opening an agenda. It has given you literally everything. I mean, it's crazy like how much can we learn in such a short span of time when the browsing gets easier. Yeah. With the help of ChatGPT, you can also cross-sell and upsell your products. Okay, we'll ask ChatGPT now to tell us some interesting ways to upsell and cross-sell our affiliate marketing course. Like, what more can I sell with the course? Like, if someone is reluctant to buy the course, or if someone is really loving the course, what more can I add? You can offer an advanced program, you can offer the coaching sessions, consulting sessions. So the opportunities are like endless, and it has given you everything that you can do with upselling and cross-selling. All you have to do is you have to educate your leads about your product. If you're going to educate them well about your products and services, you will eventually gain their trust. So that was all about that. I hope you gained some insights, and you can also watch other videos on ChatGPT that can help you level up your skills. Thanks for watching.